It's almost the end of the Muslim holy month of Ramadan, and Muslims are preparing for Eid celebrations. Most families are flocking to receive money from hawalas, such as this one in downtown Mogadishu. But families that expect money from their loved ones in Britain are bracing for tough times ahead. The pound has hit an all-time 30-year low. This is after Britain voted on Thursday to leave the European Union. Felice isn't certain whether his older brother will be able to send them money from UK.
My family and many other Somali families rely on remittance sent from the UK and Europe. My older brother is in the UK. Every month he sends around $300. With the current pound rating, I don't think he will manage his cost as well as send us money in the coming months.
A sizable Somali population lives in Europe, the largest being from Britain. Back in Somalia, 40% of Somalis rely on remittance sent from abroad. Experts have expressed concerns on the current financial shocks being experienced in Britain. The pound to the dollar is said to have dropped to its weakest level since 1985.
The current economic meltdown being experienced in UK and Europe will have a huge impact on the Somali community, both in Somalia and in the UK. Somalis working in UK will have to spend less money to their families back home. They will have to spend more money to cover their needs. In the coming months, Somalis will suffer if the economy of Britain will not be back on its feet.
UK is actively engaged in Somalia. It's among Somalia's government main donors. In Mogadishu, locals have begun to raise concerns.
The British pound is at its lowest in years. The impact is being felt outside UK and Europe. Somalia is among the main recipients of aid from UK, and this current economic crisis will likely affect the aid Britain gives to African countries.
In the next coming months, experts say it will not be business as usual. But what many in Somalia expect is that the pound will improve soon and allow many expatriates to continue sending back money to their loved ones here in Somalia and avoid further worsening the already dire humanitarian situation in the country. Abdul Aziz Bilo, CCTV, Mogadishu, Somalia.